In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart on Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects or planning a series of tasks, a Gantt chart can be your best friend for visualizing timelines and dependencies. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get started on creating clear interactive timelines for your projects. To begin, make sure you're logged in to your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you'd like to create your Gantt chart. This is the foundation step for setting up your project plan. It's crucial to be working in the right board, as this is where all your timeline entries and dependencies will reside. Before jumping straight into the chart creation, let's ensure that your board has both a timeline and a dependency column. These two columns are vital for generating a functional Gantt chart. If you don't have these columns yet, not to worry. Adding them is straightforward. Simply look for the plus sign next to your last column on the board. Clicking this will open up an option to add new columns. Use the search function to find and add the timeline column first. Follow the same process to add the dependency column. If the dependency column isn't immediately visible, don't hesitate to use the search bar to quickly locate and add it. With these columns now in place, it's time to populate them with important details. Enter your project dates and any other relevant information that aligns with your tasks and objectives. This is where the magic happens, as these entries will provide the framework for your Gantt chart. Once you have filled in the timeline and dependency data, you're ready to create your chart. To do this, look towards the top of your board for the Main Table tab. Next to this, you'll see a plus sign. Click on it and choose Gantt from the list of view options available. Your Gantt chart will automatically generate from the details you've provided in the timeline and dependency columns. This instant visualization is perfect for seeing how your tasks or projects lay out over time. If you find yourself wanting to make adjustments to the chart's appearance or settings, it's easy to do. Just click on the three-dotted line icon located in the upper right corner of the Gantt chart view. This action will bring up a menu with the Settings option. In the settings, you'll find multiple customization features. Feel free to tailor the Gantt chart to fit your specific project requirements or visual preferences. And there you have it, a fully customized Gantt chart on Monday.com. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and manageable for you. With these steps under your belt, you're now equipped to keep your projects organized and on track. Thanks for watching, and happy project planning.